Oh wow, look at this place. It's such a grand entrance.
It's a little like almost exaggerated, would you say?
No, it's, you know, luxurious.
It's like, whoa, look at this place.
Look at that. Because you're in Europe, right? They want you to feel as if you've gone abroad without ever leaving your own country. So here we are at Okura JR Hotel in Nagasaki at Huis Bosch. Let's go check in. Ready to check in?
Ready.
Okay. Oh, I guess we go this way. It's a touch pen. And I sign away all our rights. So we're almost done checking in. We just asked her to give us all the information in English. It looks like a little schedule here, probably about breakfast times. And then we can go check out the room. Very excited. And so this is our ticket for the Canal Cruiser, and this is the schedule.
Okay.
So we're on the 6th floor. Room 625. I guess it's that way.
Okay. Thank you.
So we're going up to the 6th
floor. So hopefully we have like a nice park view, so we can get that time lapse.
Let's see. Keep your fingers crossed. We don't really have much luck with views, do we?
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, here we are on the 6th floor. Now we're going towards so 25, we're at the very last one.
Very last.
Oh no, sorry.
25,
the very first one.
First one.
I never know. Okay.
So it is the park side.
Yay. Okay, ready? We're gonna open the door. Here we go. The light's flashing green. Oh, wow. Okay, oh look, here we've got water. That's nice. And we've got green tea and this is coffee. Oh, no.
No.
Roasted green tea. Green tea. Yeah.
No coffee.
No coffee.
They're not big on
Nagasaki doesn't seem to like their coffee.
Big on the coffee stuff.
Okay, so what's down here?
Oh, this is the fridge.
Okay, so this is where we put our suitcases and our bags and all our junk.
Drawers.
And drawers. To make you feel at home.
Yeah.
And more drawers.
But these are our PJs.
Oh, yes, okay. Let's see.
They always come with the
So
PJs.
they've got the tops.
Yeah.
Tops and the bottoms.
The TV is really small.
Yeah.
It's a
So
little
sharp.
A little
How many
disappointing.
inches would you say?
Oh no, like 32.
Yeah, not very big. Here's
Yeah.
the remote and all the channels that you get.
Oh wow. I mean,
Okay. Oh, a nice chair. I can watch the boys sleeping.
hopefully we'll be sleeping.
That's true. Okay. Here we've got free Wi-Fi. Very important.
You know what? I'm sorry.
I'm call maid.
I'm gonna open these curtains because
Okay.
it's too dark in here.
Yeah, it is a little.
There we go.
Yeah, see?
That's better.
So these are the beds. There's 4. They're exactly the same size, it looks like. These are the 2 main beds, and I guess if we hadn't requested beds for the kids, this would have been maybe a little living room style.
I mean, it's fairly
Mobile
basic.
phone charger. Yeah.
But like, I think honestly, the reason you stay at this particular hotel is because you get this. That is fantastic.
Wow, so you can actually go outside. Get some fresh air.
Whoa.
Take your mask off. There it is. Wow.
Look at that.
Huis Bosch. Wow, this is really
Wow,
nice.
beautiful. Look at that.
Yeah, Yeah, look, you just come out here at sunset. Or where does the sun set?
Sun's gonna sit over there, I think.
Okay. Or maybe sunrise.
Sunrise will be over there.
See, so you can see both.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Wow. So this is nice. Look. Oh, for the kids. Extra.
Yeah, see, that's the nice thing about Japanese.
Nice touch,
hotels.
right? Yeah.
You don't even have to bring your toothbrush.
Hair brushes, and these are cleansing sheets.
Oh, okay.
And yeah, everything you need, right? And facial and hand soap, hair dryer. Let's see the bath.
Oh yeah, it's all in one place, right?
Yeah.
This is just like, you know, the usual.
Looks a little bit old, right?
Yeah.
But very well kept. Oh, again, we see a hair on the wall. The Nagasaki Hotel.
Yeah, we just find the hair.
It is a washlet you'll be happy to see.
Yeah, I definitely appreciate
a Toto
that.
washlet.
I definitely appreciate
Oh, and
the
there's a phone
washlet.
in here, you know, just in case.
Well, I mean, who are you gonna call in the toilet?
I think it connects to your phone.
Oh, so like you're in here watching TV and I'm in here doing, you know, things.
Your business, yeah.
My business.
And you think
I
of
can
this
call
amazing
you.
idea. Yeah, you just call me and we can...
I mean, I usually just message you, you know, because I got my phone, but...
This is even more convenient, isn't it? Right, I guess. Oh, and there's shampoo.
But then look, there's no button.
That's why it just connects to the other phone.
We'll have to figure that out.
Yeah. Okay. I don't really like that the toilet's with the bath, because if you need to go when someone's bathing, but there's no such thing as a perfect hotel. And then here's the closet. Oh, you've got slippers, 4 slippers. Those look nice and comfy. And there you have it. The Okura JR Nagasaki House Bosch Hotel. Let's see how their breakfast is. That will determine whether we like it or not.
We'll also take you on the cruise.
Oh, the Canal Cruiser, yes.
All right.
So far, what do you think? Smooth check-in.
Smooth check-in. Fairly standard room. Nice view.
Nice view.
And you're right. It's all going to be all about the breakfast.
Yep. So this is the Bosch train station. So if you're taking a train coming in from Fukuoka or I guess anywhere in Japan, you can go directly all the way to Bosch. And then you'll see as soon as you step out of the station, you're here. So that's JR Okura Hotel where we are staying tonight. Also, if you drive in, you can park there, but the train's great because it's public transportation. You're being environmentally friendly and you can just walk across this bridge. It looks like a 2-minute walk and you're at the hotel.
All right.
All right, so it's our second day here at Okura JR Hotel, and we decided to give ourselves a little treat and upgrade ourselves. So we are now on the 7th floor, 710. Oh, okay, that's the doorbell. Okay. So green light, always a good sign. Okay, so it's a little bit similar to our other one.
Looks like the
same closet,
size, doesn't it?
Same. Oh no, look. You were upgraded.
Whoa,
you got coffee
that's
this
where
time.
the coffee is.
That's where your money goes when you upgrade. Is that, oh yeah. Mineral water, and this I'm assuming again the fridge. Okay, so let's check out the bathroom here. Oh wow, so bright. I don't know if that's a good thing if you want to see yourself that clearly, but oh look, I think they have nicer shampoo.
Oh yeah, that's way nicer.
Right. And the shower looks a little nicer, I have to admit. The bath and the shower.
Yeah.
The shower head
it's
too.
It's like it's been updated, right? Like remodeled recently.
You're right. And there's a Toto washlet. That's the same, I think, right?
Yeah.
And then all your amenities, like you even get the little, oh, are there kid toothbrushes? I guess these are just adult toothbrushes. There were some kids' toothbrushes downstairs by the front desk. You get more amenities. Look, there's vitalizing cream, moisture-rich lotion.
Oh,
yeah. Cleansing foam. Downstairs, you just got this.
Yeah.
Oh, and here you get a body towel as well.
Yeah, so more amenities.
Yeah, I don't know why I'm so excited. But...
So more
look,
amenities, better soap.
Face and hand foam. I think that's the same. Same towels. So you get like little upgrades like coffee and more lotions and creams. The beds look pretty much the same. Oh, that one's missing a blue pillow.
Well, it's because it was an extra one.
Yeah.
There's usually not 4 beds.
So we got 2 adults and 2 children, everyone requiring bedding and food.
And we got the park view again, right?
Yeah, let's see. This is a nice area. We didn't have this last time.
And the room seems like a lot less dim. Remember last time it
the
just
other one was
so
really dark.
right?
Yes. Oh yeah, let's check out our view. Oh, we don't have a balcony.
Oh, no balcony this time.
What is that?
It's like a dust ride.
Oh look, there's the Canal Cruiser.
Ride.
That's the one that takes us straight into the park, remember? And all the villas.
What times do they? Well, this is the 409.
Yeah, there's one at each
every hour.
Yeah.
509 is the last one?
Yes. So if we want to catch that one, we better hurry.
We only have an hour to catch
But
the last one.
pretty nice view, right?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you get the windmill.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah,
So
actually, it's much better as far as we're up higher, right? And then,
yeah, 1 floor higher because these are the superior rooms. So you must get a good view of the shows at night. No fireworks, but shows.
Oh, and this one has a USB.
Oh yay!
The last one didn't.
Okay, so you get the USB, a pen, coffee, and more amenities. Toiletries, like the creams and the
And
lotions.
a little bit like updated.
Yes, the room itself looks more modern.
Yeah.
Updated. We get an alarm clock? Did we have one?
No, we didn't have an alarm clock.
See, all these little nice touches that make your stay more luxurious.
Now hopefully the air conditioner works.
Oh yeah, we had a bit of a challenge last time. So Hotel Okura, JR, House Tembos, Nagasaki.
Floor 7.
Superior rooms. This hotel actually has their own harbor where you can board the hotel-exclusive Canal Cruiser, which takes you on a relaxing 10-minute ride through Huis town, allowing you to skip the crowds at the park entrance because you will be dropped off all the way at the center of the park in Harbor Town. Breakfast was at Camellia. It's a beautiful restaurant with high ceilings and large windows. Now, onto the food. As soon as you enter Camellia, you're given a map. Yup, that's how huge this place is. They've got a great variety of both Western and Japanese foods. I actually felt a little overwhelmed, but not to worry. The hotel offers a list of their not-to-be-missed breakfast favorites. Here they are. Number 1, the Egg Chef. Yes, they will make you omelets, scrambled eggs, and fried eggs right in front of you. The omelets are especially popular because you get to customize them. Number 2, their fluffy French toast. According to the chef I spoke to, he said the secret is the local eggs that they use. Number 3, local dishes of Nagasaki and Sasebo. They're not to be missed. Number 4, their bread is amazing, probably because it's baked right there at the hotel bakery. Number 5, of course, their selection of salads, desserts, and drinks are also everything you could want and more.
Oh, and there's also ice cream, if you can squeeze some in. And then, on your way out, don't forget to grab a cup of coffee to go. Phew! After that bountiful breakfast and a long, hard day at the park, what about coming back to the hotel and relaxing in the only traditional natural hot springs in Huis ten Bosch? And don't worry about bringing anything with you. The onsen provides towels and many other amenities.
Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, make sure to hit that subscribe button.